Hello, good evening, and welcome to my channel, The Sailing Beast. This is question set 6 for refresher PST and PSC exit exam questions with answers. मेरे चैनल पे एक प्लेलिस्ट है डीजी शिपिंग एग्जिट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर, उसको विजिट कीजिए, आपको वहाँ पे सारे वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे। एंड चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि मुझे भी इंकरेजमेंट मिलता है आपके लिए नए वीडियोस बनाने का। एंड नोटिफिकेशन आइकॉन यानी बेल को क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आपको सारे अगले वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएंगे। चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, इफ़ यू आर फोर्स टू अबैंडन शिप इन लाइफ बोट यू शुड आंसर ए रिमेन इन द इमीडिएट विसिनिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इफ़ यू मस्ट लैंड ऑन द बीच विद द ओवर प्रोपेल्ड लाइफ बोट थ्रू अ हेवी सर्फ the recommended method is to answer C, keep the bow into the sea with the anchor out over the bow and row to meet the breaking. Question number 3, when landing a lifeboat through heavy surf with a strong current running parallel to the beach from the right to left when facing from seaward, the recommended procedure is to answer D, rig a rope with tripping line over the bow, back ashore with the rope tripped between breakers. In question number 4, in heavy seas, helmsman should steer the motor lifeboat. Answer A, into the seas. Question number 5, a steering motor lifeboat broadside to the sea could cause it to. Answer A, capsize. Question number 6, propel lifeboat right hand propeller with the rudder midship, the stern will back. Answer B, to port. If you have abandoned ship and find yourself on board a lifeboat in a heavy sea, your boat is able to make way through the water. To prevent broaching, you should. Answer C, head the boat into the swell to take them all at 30 to 40 degree angle on either bow and run as slow as possible without losing steerage. Question number 8, why are lifeboats usually double enders? Answer A, they are more seaworthy and less likely to be swamped और ब्रोच टू। स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स है तो मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उसको भी आप सुनिए और जब पढ़ रहे होंगे तो ताकि कुछ आपसे मिस्टेक्स ना हो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, द बॉटम रो ऑफ प्लेटिंग नेक्स्ट टू द कील ऑफ लाइफ बोट इज नोन एज B, garboard stake. Question number 10, in order to prevent galvanic corrosion, an aluminum boat must be insulated from davit and gripe. Which of the following is acceptable as an insulator? Answer A, hard rubber. 11, the most common type of davit found on merchant vessel today is. Answer B, gravity. Question number 12, which type of davit may be operated by one man? Answer C, gravity. Question number 13, aluminum lifeboats are subject to damage by electrolytic corrosion. The aluminum being eaten away. In working around boats of aluminum, you must be very careful. 2 को इग्नोर कीजिए। आंसर, नॉट टू leave steel or iron to lying in or near the boats. Question number 14, which is not a function of air supply of covered lifeboat? Answer C, pressurized water spray system. Question number 15, when operating the air supply system in covered lifeboat, the hatches, doors and over ports should be closed. Question number 16, with the air supply on, the air pressure in the enclosed lifeboat will be. Answer B, greater than outside air pressure. Question number 17, the enclosed lifeboat which have been afloat over a long period of time require. Answer B, regular check and bilge level. Question number 18, most enclosed lifeboats will right themselves after capsizing if the. Answer B, passengers are strapped to their seats. Question number 19, the purpose of water spray system on covered lifeboat is to. Answer B, keep the lifeboat from reaching combustion temperature while operating in a fire. Question number 20, sprinkler system of enclosed lifeboat is used for. Answer A, cool the craft in fire. Question number 21, before hydraulic starting of engine on covered lifeboat, what need not to be checked? Answer B, cold spark voltage reading test temperature. All personnel, question 22, all personnel should be familiar with the lifeboat. Answer A, boarding and operating procedure. Question number 23, in rough weather, when a ship is able to maneuver, it is best to launch a lifeboat. Answer A, on the lee side. Question number 24, which sequence is correct when launching a lifeboat stored in gravity davits? Answer D, release grips, lift brakes, and releasing tracing pendant. Question number 25, if help has not arrived in 10 to 12 hours after you abandon ship in a lifeboat, you should, answer D, shut down the engine and set for the sea anchor. Question number 26, when launching an open lifeboat by fall, the boat hook should be, answer C, used for fending off. A magnetic compass card is marked in how many degrees? Answer B, 360. As a vessel changes course to starboard, the compass card in the magnetic compass, answer A, remains aligned with the compass north. Question 29. Error may be introduced into magnetic compass by all of the above. So क्या है? Making the structural changes to the vessel, belt buckles, short circuit near the compass. Question number 30. How many degrees are there on compass card? It is 360. Question number 31. The heading of vessel is indicated by what part of compass? It is lubber line. Question number 32. Lubber line of a magnetic compass is always show the true north direction, is always parallel to the vessel's transom, indicate the vessel's heading is located on the compass card. So it indicates vessel heading. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 33. Lubber line on a magnetic compass indicates the direction of the vessel's head. Answer C. Question number 34. When magnetic compass is not in use for prolonged period of time, it should, answer A, shielded from the direct sunlight. Question number 35. When using a lifeboat compass, you must be careful. Answer D, for all of the above. So क्या क्या आता है? Set if on the center line of the boat, keep metal objects away from it, apply the correction for the compass error. Which would influence a magnetic compass? Answer D, all of the above. Electric wiring, radio, and iron pipe. Question number 37. If water is rising in the bilge of the lifeboat, you should first, answer C, check the bilge drain plug. Answer D. Question number 38. In order for the automatic lifeboat drain to operate properly, answer B, the cage must be free of rubbish or the ball may not sit properly. Question number 39. Prior to lowering lifeboat, the most important item to check is the, answer B, boat plug. Question number 40. Upon hearing the abandoned ship signal, you put your life jacket and report to your station. After the cover is removed, you board your open lifeboat. The first thing to do is, answer B, put the cap on the drain. So guys, आई होप ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल रहेगा. थैंक यू. एंड प्लेलिस्ट डीजे शिपिंग क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्लेलिस्ट ऑन माय चैनल, आप उसको ज़रूर विज़िट कीजिए सारे वीडियोज़ के लिए.